Okay, I think we're recording on these glasses as well. Are you recording? All right, let's just see. Come over right here and let's see what this looks like from the back. Fingers crossed. Whoops. Must be all the dead ones. Hopefully that wasn't there's the queen right there. See that? So this is the starter one, and see how they haven't attached it right here. They're just letting this hang. So that's not necessarily what I expected. But if you look at this one, it's the same thing. They're keeping that edge. So I'm not sure why they're doing that, but I can't see if there's tell if there's any eggs in there or not. Oh yeah, there's brood. There's brood in here, so that's good. Now this queen was walking right across here. We saw her earlier. She may have come across to the front. So we need to just we're going to leave this one alone. And we're going to take a look at this one. See how we have capped brood? See that? So the brood's been capped. And then see how the honeycomb is not attached to the bottom. Okay, and they're trying to fill up through the top. See that? So we just need to pay attention to that. So let me take the feeder off. And we'll take a look at this one. Okay, so this one, I can't see if there's brood in there too. It's kind of hard with these glasses on because they're sunglasses. But there's eggs in every one of these cells down here. So, all right, you can turn the video off.